And the gopis walk. Every step is like a dance step. They are placing their feet and their hands, all the limbs, just like a dance step. Like a dancer, professional dancer. So beautiful. Everything they speak is a song. When they're speaking to each other, it's so beautiful, full of all rhythm, melody, notes, tone, like all this beautiful, like a song. It's a perfect song. Caiu, voltou. So in the Govinda Stotra we hear this verse. And the gopis are taking the name of Krishna, and then their heart is melting, and the stream of tears is falling from their eyes. Sometimes their throat becomes choked. First of all, the stream of tears coming from their eyes, because the names of Bhagavan are so sweet. Okay, the gopis don't think Krishna is Bhagavan, okay, but still, what is true is truth. So taking the names of Krishna, they are completely absorbed in bhav. So Mother Jashoda, what did she do? So she was making this fresh butter and thinking about Gopal. And she was exactly glorifying the Bal Charita, means childhood pastimes of Krishna. And she was making like poems, like a song, like verses, like a small song in poem shape. Lori, it's called. In Bengal, they do this when the husband dies. So the widow woman, in this moment, she's going to the husband and telling all the life history of the man in like a poem shape, crying and like making a song in poem shape of the husband's life history. Lullaby. With a like rhythm and hima, like a, let's say, rhyming. So, like she's describing pastimes of Krishna. In Bengal also we see this, especially when the husband dies and the woman is feeling separation from the husband, and she's crying and making the song of separation from the husband. So what I want to say is that this is the special quality of the Brajabhasa. So Mother Jashoda, she's completely immersed in the pastimes of Krishna and milking the cow. Sorry, not milking the cow, churning the yogurt. And then Gopal woke up, saw his mother was not on the bed, on the bed. So what to do? Somehow, with the help of his own belly, Krishna was able to come out of the bed. How he came out? He's very smart, Krishna. The boys are smart, kids. So he threw some pillows, like outside the bed. So he was able to also take the support of the pillows to come to the ground. So the kids are really clever, You can see. Sometimes the mother is saying, oh, my boy will not be able to come because he's afraid. That's why the mother is putting the baby on a high bed. But the kids are more clever than the mother. Like smarter than the mother. So there are like 1 or 2 pillows around the baby. So the kid is like rolling the pillow and making the pillow go to the floor, and then this way the baby can also throw himself out of the bed, but actually taking support of the pillow, so he's not hurt and he's able to come out of the bed very nicely. So Bhagavan, he knows everything. He's doing all this. speciality of his pastimes. So Krishna saw, so he came out of the bed and he saw that his mother was not even giving attention to him, didn't even look at him. Mother Jashoda, she was completely absorbed turning the yogurt. And from behind, Gopal, with his left hand, Gopal stopped the churning stick. He held the churning stick. Actually, it needs art. Like it's hard to catch the stick. If you don't catch it with strength, then your hand might be cut and hurt because it's moving very quick. This churning stick. So Krishna at once like grasped with strength, like grasping the stick of yogurt. Grasp. So that would not move anymore. Huh? He grabbed. He grabbed that, and then he also, with the other hand, he held her hair, her hair. So why did he catch also her hair, Mother Jashoda hair? So that he would not be unbalanced and not fall down. Like she didn't want to lose his balance when he was catching that stick of the yogurt churning stick. So that's why he also caught hold of her hair so that he would be balanced. Mother Jashoda, she was remembering the pastimes of her son churning the yogurt. Suddenly she saw, oh, the stick of churning the yogurt is not moving anymore. What happened? What happened? Then she like came out of external senses like this. She was like, what happened? Then she lifted her veil and she saw beautiful Gopal, and then she started crying. And from Vatsalya Bhava, automatically milk was flowing from her breast just by seeing Gopal. This is actually one special symptom of Vatsalya Rasa, this milk from the breast coming out. Acharyas explain. Jiva Goswami in the Priti Sandarbha also describes the speciality of Vatsalya Rasa. What is it? Is this milk coming from the breast? So how old was Mother Jashoda at that time? You see, but only by seeing Mother Krishna, automatically the milk was coming out of her breasts. So Mother Jashoda took Gopal to her chest, and then she started breastfeeding him. Krishna also held her nipple and drinking the milk. He grabbed her nipple and sucking her breast, and Mother Jashoda was so immersed and happy breastfeeding him. And then she saw the milk was boiling nearby. The milk thought, Mother Jashoda has so much milk in her breast, even more than the milk in the ocean of milk. So much milk is there. And also the belly, the stomach of Gopal is so big. For a limited time, Krishna can continue drinking. Still, he'll never be full. Also, the milk will never end. The supply of Mother Jashoda's milk. So the milk was thinking, my life is useless if I won't be able to serve Bhagavan. My life is useless. Like Narottam Das Thakur saying, what is the meaning of my life if I'm not using my life for the service of Bhagavan? So the milk was thinking, I am not be able to serve Gopal. So the milk was thinking, like boiling and falling like over, like spilling from the milk was boiling over in the stove. But after some time, Krishna would ask Mother Jashoda, give me butter. But Mother Jashoda thought, I cannot make butter from my breast milk. And also paneer and other milk products, it's not possible from breast milk. Krishna also not only asks for butter, he'll say, give me paneer. How to give paneer without the cow milk? So it's necessary, important to keep the milk, to protect the milk, because this Gopal later will need the milk. I'll need the milk to make things for Gopal. So with her left hand, she took Krishna like out of her breast and put him sitting down. You see, when Krishna was in the breast of Putana, Putana had 10,000 elephants strapped in her arm. Krishna was only 6 day old. And Krishna, with his soft mouth, he was only touching a little bit of the nipples of Putana. And in this way, the life of Putana was also already coming out. First, Putana tried to take Krishna out of her breast, but she could not do that, even though she tried. But now, Mother Yashoda, she took Gopal out of her breast and put him to the side. How possible? The speciality of Vatsalya Rasa. This is speciality of love. So God is controlled by love. That's it. Whatever the devotee wants, Bhagavan will do according to the desires of the devotee. So God has love, the devotee also has love, prem. Because you cannot clap your hands with only one hand. You need two hands to clap. So God has love and the devotee also has love. Both have love to each other. So the Siddhanta, the Acharyas explain, is Vishai Jatiya Prem and Ashray Jatiya Prem. Means the love Krishna feels is the object of love kind. Vishai Jatiya Prem means is the object of the love. And the love the devotees feel is Ashraya Jatiya Prem. They are the shelter of the divine love. But if you want to conquer God and control God with love, you must love more Krishna than he loves you. Then you can control Lord if you love him more than he loves you. Isn't it? So if you want to control someone, you have to love that person more than he loves you. Then you can control that person. This is the meaning. Shastra explains. So what is the meaning? Mother Yashoda in her heart, she has this Vatsalya Rasa. Ashraya Jatiya Vatsalya Rasa means she is the shelter of love. And she has more love for Krishna than Krishna has his object of love, Ashraya Jatiya Prem, for her. That's why Mother Yashoda very easily, she was able to, with her hand, she was able to take Krishna out of her breast and put him to the side. Putana doesn't have this prem, love. That's why Putana, she was not able to take Krishna out of her breasts. Then what happened to her? She showed as she had Vatsalya Rasa. She pretended to have Vatsalya Rasa. Who? Putana pretended. Putana pretended to be like a mother affection and give the breastfeed to Krishna. But actually she didn't have milk in her breast. Actually she put some poison in her breasts. On her breasts. So Putana was not able to take Krishna out of her breast, that's why. But Mother Yashoda, she has Vatsalya Prem. Ashraya Jatiya Vatsalya Prem means she has shelter of the love. She feels the love for Krishna in the Vatsalya mood. So in this way, she was able to take Krishna out of her breasts and put him to the side and save the milk. Do you understand? The Siddhanta. Otherwise, you might think, how Mother Yashoda was able to simply take Gopal out of her breast? Putana was not able to do that, but Mother Yashoda was able to do that. So our acharyas also explain. So the devotee should love God more than Krishna loves the devotee. This is the way to control God. This is what must be there to control God. So Bhagavan said, I am subservient to my devotees. I am controlled or dependent on the love of my devotees. Which kind of devotee? Not by normal devotees. Only by Braj Prem. Bhagavan is only controlled by Braja Premi Bhaktas, devotees of the mode of Braj. Okay, maybe partially he might be a little bit controlled by other devotees, but partially, a little bit. Like Lakshmi, even she cannot control Bhagavan. That's why Bhagavan is always also saying, I'm not always in Vaikuntha. I'm not always in Vaikuntha. So even Lakshmi Devi, she is not able to control Narayana. Sita Devi also in Ayodhya, she is also not able to control Ramchandra. And also beyond that, Rukmini, Satyabhama, etc. in Dwarkapuri also, they are not able. Maybe a little bit sometimes. Krishna is a little bit controlled by their love, but just a little bit to make some pastime. But in Braj, Krishna is completely controlled.
सखाओं के प्रेम के द्वारा
Controlled by the love of the devotees.
वो पूर्णता में नहीं है
But not completely also controlled by the love of his friends. Also by Vatsalya Prema also not controlled. But actually Krishna is completely controlled by the love of the gopis. Especially the love of Srimati Radha. Wherever she says, Krishna must do it. Krishna himself told, Srimati Radhika is my guru in love. I am her disciple, just like a puppet in her hands. I dance according to her instructions. Like whatever she tells me, I do it. What is the meaning? Srimati Radhika has a mood of Swadhina Bhatrika Naika. Sorry. This kind of heroine mood is that she's controlling her husband, her beloved, and telling him to do everything. For example, hey, you put the altar in my feet. Red legs. Put red legs on my foot. Apply it on my feet. So, whatever she tells Krishna, does. This in this world is not possible. You see, Jayadeva Goswami, he was writing that verse. He wrote only the first line. He could not complete the shloka, the hit. Tapada Palava Mudana, second part. Hey, Srimati Radhika, you are so generous. Please put your lotus feet on my head. Like Krishna saying this. Jayadeva Goswami could not write these words. Then God himself came in disguise of Jayadeva and he himself finished the line. Oh, Srimati Radhika, put your lotus feet on my head. Because Krishna is controlled by the love. Topmost love is the love of Srimati Radhika. But what is this love that Srimati Radhika has? That this kind of love completely controls Krishna. In this context, our acharyas explain. There are many kinds of levels of love. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Raga, Nurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Rura, Adirura, Mohan. And then Madanakya Mahabhav. So only Srimati Radhika possesses Madanakya Mahabhav. No one else has it. But what is Madanakya Mahabhav? Sarva Bhava Udgama Ulasa Rati. Means it's the source of all the moods. Sarva Bhava Udgam Ulasa Roti. It's the source of all the moods. So Madanakya Mahabhav is like this. So by this mood, Srimati Radhika is completely controlling Krishna. She has Krishna in her hands. How do you say in English expression? Like on her hands? In the palm of her hand. She has Krishna on the palm of her hand. In her palm of her hand. And all these moods are also what? Reflecting in the manjaris. This is a speciality of the bhava of the manjaris, our acharyas explain. So what I want to say is that there are many levels of love. So there are many bhavas, waves of bhava in all these levels. In the book Ujjwal Nilamani, there are the 20 alankaras explained. Bhava alankaras, one by one they are explained in the Ujjwal Nilamani. Really, if someone really wants to enter, to dive in Paramur mood, you must churn and study the book Ujjwal Nilamani. Without the study of the Ujjwal Nilamani book, you can never understand these things. So he'll explain all these waves of these bhavas. Bhava Utpad, Bhava Sandhi, Bhava Sobhalya and Bhava. First, Bhava Utpati, the rise of the Bhava. Bhava Sandhi, the junction of the Bhavas. Bhava Sobhalya. All these things are coming and stimulating the heart so much, increasing the moods. Those who are premic people who have prema, they understand, other people know. Because these things are not from this world, this kata is from the spiritual world. Not even something from Vaikuntha, Yoda, Dwaraka, Mathura. These things are happening only in Goloka Vrindavana, all these waves of these bhavas. Just like if you go to the beach, if you sit on a beach, and then you're seeing the beautiful waves, the waves are breaking and then they touch the shore and they again come back to the ocean. So beautiful, this movement of the also whirlpool sometimes in the ocean is there also the whirlpool.
उसी प्रकार से अपरिचित
So the same way in the transcendental world,
भावों की
these kinds of bows, these waves of bows are happening.
है। चलो आगे की कथा
Okay, let's continue.
इसलिए वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। हाँ, माँ जसोदा
Ah, yeah, Mother Yashoda.
वो मैंने इसलिए कहा था वो दूध विचार करने में
Mother Yashoda, the milk was thinking my life will be useless. Then Mother Yashoda thought, okay, I must protect the milk.
यहाँ पर भी एक भी कहते हैं कृष्ण
One more thing.
सेवा की जो वस्तु जो
Actually,
है,
whatever is used for the service of Krishna,
सेवा की वस्तु के प्रति हमें अधिक
we have to give more attention to the things for used in the service of Krishna than to Krishna himself.
कृष्ण सेवा अपेक्षा कृष्ण
So
की
you have
सेवा
to
की वस्तु
give more attention to the things used in the service of Krishna than to Krishna himself.
है। क्योंकि यहाँ कृष्ण क्या करें?
Because look, Krishna
मैं
here,
दूध के लिए
he's
हूँ,
thinking, who is more important, me
दूध के लिए
or
मैं
the milk? Means I am for the milk or the milk is for me?
रक्षण के लिए देखिए,
And because Mother Yashoda left him to
भक्ति
protect the
में
milk.
क्या चीज है?
So what happens in Bhakti is
भक्ति में सेवा अनुकूलमय चेष्टा
Anukulamai Chesta
है।
means
भक्ति में दो
whatever is
वस्तु
favorable for Krishna, for Bhakti, you accept.
और
Krishna Akil Chista Parayan. All your endeavors should be for the exclusive pleasure of Krishna. Krishnarte Akil Chista Parayan.
कृष्ण सेवा के लिए अपनी
Whatever is for the service of Krishna, you have to do whatever is
और कृष्ण
only
के
the
लिए
activities
क्या-
which
क्या-
are favorable
क्या
for the
करना
service
चाहिए?
of Krishna.
अखिल भगत है।
And you have to give up all the sense gratification for the pleasure of
अपने
Krishna.
सुख को त्याग देना।
You have to give up your desire for your own happiness.
ये दो वस्तु है।
Krishnarte
अभी ये
Akil,
पर है,
Krishnarte Akil,
माँ जसोदा
Bhoga
जो
Tyag.
कार्य किया।
So now, what Mother Yashoda did,
कृष्ण इसमें रुचिकर नहीं
so
है।
Krishna didn't like it, okay?
कृष्ण की रुचि नहीं हुआ।
Krishna
की
didn't
रुचि
like
नहीं।
it.
क्यों रुचि नहीं
Why?
हुई?
Why he didn't like it?
कृष्ण प्रसन्न नहीं
Krishna didn't like it. Why? Okay, so when Mother Yashoda put Gopal, like stopped breastfeeding,
तो गोपाल प्रसन्न हुए कि
then
नहीं?
Gopala was happy or not?
तो प्रसन्न हुए।
No.
हैं? इसलिए गोपाल के क्या क्रोध हो
So
गया?
Gopala was angry, that's why.
तो यहाँ पर आप ऐसे देखें ये भक्ति के विरोध दिखाई पड़
So this looks like something unfavorable for Bhakti, isn't it?
पहले लक्षण क्या
Because the first symptom of Bhakti is Krishnarte Akil Chistaparan. Just do things that give pleasure to Krishna. Have to do everything that give pleasure to Krishna.
तो यहाँ पर तो कृष्ण प्रसन्न नहीं हो
So
रहे।
Krishna is happy or not?
कृष्ण क्या हो गया? अप्रसन्न हो गया। माँ जसोदा गोपाल के जो अपने
So Mother Yashoda,
से विरोध कर दिया।
she stopped breastfeeding Krishna.
जैसे कि और breast, हैं? तो माँ जसोदा जो गोपाल क्या बोल गया उसने?
Sorry. So Gopal was
तो
not
यहाँ
pleased.
भक्ति कैसे माना जाए?
So how can you say that this is Bhakti, right?
ये भक्ति की परिभाषा इसलिए
Because what is the
लेकर के
definition
हम
of Bhakti?
उसके analyze करते
If you
हैं।
analyze the definition of
भक्ति में क्या
Bhakti,
कहते हैं?
Bhakti is what?
ना कृष्ण के सुख विधान है तो
You do things that give happiness to Krishna. How Krishna can be happy? How?
वो हमें देखना था।
You have to see only this.
क्योंकि इसमें तो कृष्ण सुख नहीं हो रहा है।
But by this, Krishna was not happy.
दुखी।
Actually, Krishna became upset, really upset.
अब उधर माँ जसोदा क्या की दूध के जो है
And then when Yashoda went to save the milk,
वहाँ पर चली गई।
and she just left to save the milk.
इसलिए हमारे आचार्य पाद इसी पे कहा
So
जाता
our
है
acharyas explain.
भक्ति में दो वस्तु फिर
So
आ जाता है।
two things coming
एक
back
क्या
there also.
कहते हैं?
Avyapti dosh and Ati Vyapti dosh. So Vyapti dosh and Ati Vyapti dosh.
एक होता है व्यक्ति दोष और एक होता है
According to the Sanskrit. Vyapti dosh, Ati Vyapti dosh. Avyapti dosh, Ati Vyapti dosh. So Ati Vyapti dosh means over extension rule, and Avyapti dosh means under the extension rule.
इसलिए माँ जसोदा की जो
So this is a fault also. If you think, oh, Mother Yashoda doesn't have bhakti, no. Even this looks like a fault, but actually this is bhakti because she's doing saving the milk for the happiness of Krishna.
अभी दुख है।
Even though now Krishna is upset, and later Krishna will be happy when he eats all these foods made by the milk, prepared from the milk. When Krishna will eat the butter
पनीर
or the paneer,
तो कृष्ण के सुख हो
Krishna will be happy or not?
जाएंगे। और दूधी जो सारे दूध यदि नष्ट हो
And
जाए
if all the milk was spoiled or wasted,
उबालते उबालते सारे दूध उबाल करके यदि आग में चले जाए तो कृष्ण के सुख कैसे कृष्ण सेवा कैसे करेंगे?
then how to serve Krishna and give happiness to him in the future?
कृष्ण कहेंगे
Because
भैया
after some time, Krishna would say, Mother, give me butter. But how to give the butter at that time,
कृष्ण की भाभी
right?
सुख के लिए जो जो कुछ भी अभी कर रहे हैं यद्यपि बाहर दिखाई पड़ा है दुख है
Now Krishna is upset, but later on it will be for his happiness.
यही कहा
Do you understand?
जैसे बच्चा पढ़ना चाहता है,
Just like the kid
पढ़ना नहीं
does
चाहता,
not want to
माँ-
study,
माँ उनके पिटाई
but the
करती है,
mother
"पढ़।"
is just telling the kid, you have to study, boy.
बच्चा सोचे, "माँ भागो, मुझे पिटाई
And
करती है,
then the
पढ़ाई
kid is thinking my mother is
करती है।"
like
ये तो वही बच्चा जब
obliging me, like
समझ
he's
जाएंगे,
forcefully
एक दिन
making me
जब
study and
उन्हें
even
physical
chastising me like this.
तरफ से करेंगे,
Kid doesn't like, the son doesn't like.
तब समझेंगे,
But one
"हाँ,
day when
माँ,
the kid
मुझे एक दिन
has
इसलिए
nice
पिटाई किया
diploma,
था,
master degree,
आज मैं
PhD, then he'll understand, oh, my mother
और
chastised
नहीं
me
बने,
to study
अब तो
so much
समझता है।
discipline, but yeah,
यदि
now
उस
I
समय
have a
माँ
good
यदि
career
मुझे
and good
पिटाई
money.
नहीं करते,
If my
आज
mother
मैं
at that time in the beginning of the school,
नहीं पढ़ाई
if my mother would not chastise me to study,
इतना धन कहाँ से
nowadays I
निकाला?
would be able to have so much money, a nice career and job.
तो उसी प्रकार माँ
So
जैसे
in the
कि
same way.
भावना, माँ जैसे कि ये जो दिखाई पड़
So
रहा
Mother
है,
Yashoda is showing this also.
जो ओवर है ना, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? हैं? अव्यक्ति दोष।
So,
व्यक्ति दोष और ये होता है
something is
अव्यक्ति।
Bhakti dosh and not the Bhakti dosh. So thinking that Mother Yashoda doesn't have bhakti just because she did this, so this is under extension rule. You think she does not have just because she did this, that Krishna was unpleased. So this is a fault also if you think this. It's called
उसमें कृष्ण के
Bhakti
आनंद
dosh.
आहा, कितना
So another point, if you think the Chandra and Mustik, they have bhakti because they were giving happiness to Krishna when they were fighting with Krishna.
सृष्टि दंभ
They were wrestling with Krishna.
किंतु होने पर भी कृष्ण के सुख होने
So
पर
Krishna was happy wrestling with them, but still this is unfavorable for bhakti.
चाणूर
Why?
मुष्टि के जो द्वंद्व आदि जो था
Because Chandra
हो
and
गया।
Mustik,
वो कृष्ण के सुख के लिए
they
नहीं,
were not fighting Krishna, wrestling with him to give happiness to him, but to kill him. To kill him. This is unfavorable for
इसलिए
bhakti.
उसकी क्या कहा गया?
That's why this is called
ओवर
overextension rule. Ati Vyapti dosh. It's a fault if you think Chandra and Mustik, they have bhakti just because they give happiness to Krishna. So one thing is this, Ati Vyapti dosh. Shrimati Jashoda, she has
चाणूर मुष्टि के
under
क्या है?
extension rule.
ओवर एक्सटेंशन
Vyapti dosh, because if you think she does not have bhakti just because Krishna was upset, this is a fault.
है, क्योंकि वीर असल में ये वो भक्त में क्या है?
Yeah.
भगवान तो भगवान थोड़ी वीर, भगवान क्या है? भगवान कहाँ से वीर असल है? भक्त से ही है। भगवान से कोई लड़ सकते हैं?
Nobody can actually
अच्छा,
fight
यहाँ
with
पर
God.
चाणूर मुष्टि भगवान से कैसे लड़
So how Chandra and Mustik, they
वो भी
fought to
भगवान की
Krishna.
शक्ति से तप्त कर सकते हैं।
Krishna gave some potency
भगवान
to
की
them.
चाहे
That's why they were able
ऐसे
to
फूल दे दे, जैसे कितने
fight with
चींटियां
him.
ऐसे उड़ करके बेचारे।
If Krishna wanted, he would just like
बहुत
blow,
चींटियां आती हैं,
and so
हम
many
छोटे-छोटे
ants
थे ना,
would
हम ऐसे
fly
करते
away.
थे,
When I was a kid,
चींटियां ऐसे समुद्र में जाती थी ना, वो
we would
चींटियां ही
we
होकर
would play like this. We were like blowing like
हजारों
this
लाखों करोड़
on the
चींटियां
ants.
क्या होता है?
There are thousands
और
of
जब
ants,
उड़ करके उधर चले
and they're like flying and going to the
तो
other
भगवान
position
के
when
पास
you
भी
blow
सब
them.
चाणूर मुष्टि के साथ लड़ना, बा वीर
Blow, you
रस
say?
साधन करना,
So imagine to fight and wrestle with Krishna.
है? वो तो ऐसे फूल दे दे, कितने
Actually, if
चाणूर
Krishna
मुष्टि
wanted,
ऊपर से
he would
ऐसे
like
हवा में
foo,
उड़ता है।
and so many Chandra and Mustik would
चंद्रमा में
fly
जैसे कहते हैं,
in the
चंद्रमा
sky,
में चंद्रलोक में जाने पर ऐसे ऐसे होता है।
just like in the moon.
उसी प्रकार का।
It's like going to the moon. And
तथापि भगवान
anyway,
कृष्ण जो है ऊपर से जाए something is better
but
than nothing.
something's better than nothing.
भगवान
So
हाथ
that's
है,
why Krishna
वीर रस साधन करेगा।
relished some Vira Rasa, some wrestling and chivalry,
वास्तव रूप में
but also
चाणूर
with them.
मुष्टि के हृदय में क्या था?
But actually, Chandra and Mustik, they wanted to kill Krishna. And this is unfavorable for bhakti.
भक्ति के जहाँ
Unfavorable.
पर प्रतिकूल हो जाता है उसके
If something is unfavorable for bhakti, this is not good. This is against bhakti.
चल
Anyway,
तो यहाँ पर जो कहा गया है कृष्ण विचार करने
so
लगे
Krishna
मैं
was
दूध के
thinking,
लिए मैं
what is more
माँ
important,
के
me
लिए
or the
मैं हूँ
milk?
कि
I am for the milk or the
मेरे
milk
लिए
is for me?
अब माँ मुझे छोड़ करके दूध क्यों
My
बचा रही
mother, she left me to protect this milk. What is this?
है? और इसलिए कन्हैया के क्या हो गया
So Kanhaiya
बालक के क्या हो गया गुस्सा
became angry.
और गुस्सा आकर के एक पत्थर लिया और पत्थर लेकर के मटका के
Then
जो
he took
पीछे
one
के
stone
भाग होता है ना
and then
वो
you know,
बहुत पतला होता
the part of the lower part of a clay pot is really thin.
है और उसी के ऊपर
So,
एक थोड़ी सी
he
पत्थर
little
लेकर
bit he
के, कंकड़ लेकर के
hit with the stone
टक्कर
in that
लगाया
area.
और छेद हो गया
And he made a hole.
बालक की भी ऐसे बात चलित
And,
लगे
you know,
कृष्ण जैसे साधारण बालक
Krishna
की
is
बात
just like a
करने
normal
लगे,
kid.
जब
And
वो
Krishna, when he saw,
दूध जब
the-
निकलने लगे मटको छेद से जब निकलने
because
लगे,
he
बालक
made a
ऐसे
hole
देखने
in the
लगे,
pot,
कैसे दूध
so he
निकला।
was seeing the milk like
धार कैसा?
spilling, like a flood,
और
like
वो इतना तेज
can you
से,
see this?
जैसे जीवन में कभी देखा ही नहीं है।
Coming like this, spilling. So he thought, I never saw this in my life, he said. He was looking at that. But he didn't realize the milk was actually making all the floor wet, and also his own foot was getting wet by the milk. Kanhaiya thought, now the milk is everywhere, when the Yashoda will come, certainly she will
इसलिए आगे
chastise me
आगे
and
चल के सामने कक्ष में
beat
गए,
me and
देखा
for
तो
this. So he went to the other room,
मक्खन के मटके रखा है,
and then he
वो
saw
बात नहीं किया कि
some butter
ऊपर ही
pots.
था,
So,
और
but this was like hanging from the top.
पास में था क्या,
But there was
ऊपर रखा
nearby,
था,
there
वो
was a
उलट करके
grinding
रखा था।
mortar
इसी प्रकार
upside
से
down.
कन्हैया ने
Somehow
ऊपर
Krishna,
चढ़ गए,
he
और चढ़ करके
climbed the
और
grinding
मक्खन को
mortar.
जो है उठाने
And
लगे,
then Krishna took the butter
और कौवे और बंदर के जो है
and he fed them butter to the crows and
ये पर भी
monkeys.
टीकाकार वर्णन करते हैं, कृष्ण मन
That
में
is also
विचार करने
explained.
लगे, राम
In his
लीला
mind,
में
Krishna was thinking,
ये
in my
बंदर
pastime
ने तो
as
मेरा
Ram,
सेवा की, न
these
उनके
monkeys
खाने
has
पीने रहने
served
की
me
कोई
so
बात
much, but I didn't give any
उस समय
food
मैं
for
वनवास
them in
होता।
that time because I was living in the forest at that time. In my
मेरे
Rama
भी रहने की
pastimes.
व्यवस्था नहीं, तो मैं इनको भी क्या व्यवस्था करूं?
So even I had no place to stay. What to speak of arranging something for them? I didn't arrange food for them, nothing at that time.
और सारे बंदर मेरा क्या सेवा, कितने
But
सेवा
the monkeys, they served me so much at that time.
ऐसे विचार करने लगे, ओह,
So Krishna thought, today I will pay them off.
मक्खन
I'll give some butter to them.
कन्हैया ने किया कि वो सिक्के से मक्खन उठा करके
So Kanai was
बंदर को
taking
खिलाया।
the butter and feeding the
फिर
monkeys.
देखा कि कौवे
Then he
ने
saw the
वो
crows
काग
also.
भूषण की मेरा रामलीला में
He thought,
बहुत
oh, Kagbhushani,
सहायता की।
the crow in my pastime
बाल
Javaram also
बाल
helped
राम
me
की लीला
so
में
much.
बहुत मधुर है।
The pastimes of
एक
Rama were
समय
so sweet.
भगवान
In
रामचंद्र
childhood also. One
छोटा
time,
बालक जो थे,
Ramachandra was like
और
really
वो
baby,
माँ
a
कौशल्या
baby.
ने क्या की,
And Mother Kaushalya,
कटोरी में,
she
दूध
gave
कटोरी में थोड़ा खाना दे दिया,
some food for him in a
और
small
बाल
bowl.
बाल को के बाल कृष्ण के
And
गले में
Balram
देखा,
means baby
राम
Ram.
पे जो बैठा है।
Baby Ram was eating that
इतने
food.
समय एक
Then
कागभूषण ने
Kagbhushani, the crow,
आकर के दूर से
came,
देखा,
and from
और
far he
प्रभु की
saw
लीला कैसी।
how are the pastimes
बाल
of my
राम
Prabhu.
देखने में कितने सुंदर है।
And Ramachandra was so beautiful, baby
माँ
Ram,
माँ
so
कौशल्या ने
beautiful.
उनकी
Mother
कमर
Kaushalya
में
had
केवल
put
गर्दनी दे
only
दिया,
a
और
waist belt
इतने
on
सुंदर
his
घुंघराले बाल,
waist.
कमल लोचन,
He had like
and-
lotus
और
eyes
उसमें
and
वो
curly hair,
खा रहे।
and he was eating that food.
ऐसे दृश्य के देख करके कागभूषण की मन ही मन विचार करने
Seeing
लगे,
this, the
ओह,
crow thought,
प्रभु जी के थोड़ा
wow,
उच्छिष्ट मुझे
let me
प्राप्त
eat
हो
some of the
जाए,
Uchista
मेरा
remnants of God.
जीवन
My life will be successful.
ऐसे
Blessed.
विचार करके
Thinking
कोई
this,
निकट
the
आने
crow
लगे,
came
और
closer.
कोई के देखते ही
Seeing the
बाल-
crow,
बाल राम
baby
देखते
Ram
ही रोना शुरू कर
started crying.
कागभूषण जी को हो गया क्या,
Kagbhushani became doubtful.
ये कह रहा मेरा प्रभु है,
He thought, "Pa, is
मैंने
he my
उसे
Prabhu?
पहचान लिया,
I
ये
recognize
मेरा
him,
प्रभु है।
that
किंतु
he is my
प्रभु मुझे
Lord.
पहचान लिया, ये सर्पों
But
को कैसे?
Lord, Prabhu did not recognize me. How possible? He didn't recognize
ये
his
सर्पों को
servants.
कैसे?
How
सर,
can
ये
be he
और कुछ।
omniscience? Like
ऐसे
how he
जब
can be
संशय हो
God,
गया,
knowing everything?
भगवान
He
राम जी
didn't
ने
recognize me.
ऐसे ही तुम्हारे हो गए।
And Ramachandra
तो
thought,
भगवान
oh
राम
yeah,
जी ने किया
you're
कि
thinking this.
फिर अपने उच्छिष्ट जो है, कौवे
So
को देखने
Ramachandra
लगे।
started
और
to give
कौवे
his
निकट में आए,
remnants to the
तो बाल-
crow. Crow
रामचंद्र
came
ने
came
किया कि
closer.
कौवे को पकड़ने के लिए हाथ
So
ऐसे
baby
कर-
Ram stretched out his hand to catch the crow.
उसमें कागभूषण ने विचार करने
Kagbhushani.
लगे,
Kagbhushani
यदि
thought,
भगवान नहीं हो,
what if he's
तो
not
मुझे
God?
पकड़ के गला
He'll
दबा
maybe
के
catch me
सत्यानाश
and
कर देगा।
like twist my
ऐसे
neck
करके
and kill
हंसने
me.
लगे, और
So
कोई
the crow was
फिर
afraid
आगे,
and like
बाल ने- बाल
stepping
राम
back,
ने किया कि
and
अब
then
रोना शुरू
baby
कर।
Ram also started crying.
उनके रोना देख करके
Seeing his
माँ
cry,
कौशल्या बाहर है,
him
देखा तो
crying, Mother
कोई
Kaushalya came.
है ही नहीं, कोई एक तो दूर जा करके बैठ।
The crow was
फिर
far.
कोई विचार करने लगे
Mother
कि मेरा
Kaushalya saw there was no
राम
one
है,
there.
और दूसरी
So
है।
crow was thinking, is he really my Lord Ram or who
ऐसे
is he, this
फिर
boy?
पुनः आने लगे,
So again he
तब
came
उस समय
closer.
क्या कि
And then in
बाल
this
राम ने
moment,
किया कि
baby Ram
कौवे की पकड़ने के लिए पीछे दौड़ने लगे।
was running behind
आश्चर्य हुआ, कौवे
the
दौड़ने
crow
लगे,
to try to
दौड़ने
catch
लगे,
him.
उड़ने लगे,
Then
और
the crow
वो
started
उड़ते
flying,
जाने
flying,
कितने
flying,
दूर
and he
चले,
went so
और
far.
देखा वही बाल राम
And then he saw
अपने हाथ
that the
ऐसे
baby
करके
Ram was
रखे हैं
again
और
stretching his
दूर
hands
जा।
trying to catch him.
परेशान थे, दूरी कहाँ पर बोलता
So
है?
the crow was like trying to escape for so much time and he was even
दूर
tired.
कहाँ होगा? दूर कहाँ पाए?
How can he run away, trying to run?
इतने कहने के
Then
साथ ही
later he
साथ
said, Prabhu, please
कौवे ने
protect
किया
me.
कि सांस लेने के साथ
So the
यहाँ पे
crow,
अपने मुंह के जैसे फाड़
he
दिया
opened his
और